In the given figure, line L is parallel to M is parallel to N. Find x plus y. What all is given? See, these lines are parallel. This angle is 70. This is 35. And we have to find this x plus y. It's plus y. So let's start. Line L is parallel to line N. See, this L and this is N. It's given that they are parallel. So what happens? These angles become interior angles. This 70 and this x. They become interior angles. What are interior angles? See, these are interior angles. They are always supplementary. Means they are within the parallel lines and on the same side of the transversal. So the total of them is always 180. Others are alternate angles, then alternate exterior, then same side exterior and corresponding. You can watch this slide later. I have discussed this in various videos earlier. So x plus 70, it becomes 180. So x will be what? 180 minus 70, 110. So yeah, it should be interior over here. So x is 110 now. Now m is parallel to n. This m is parallel to n. So what happens? Once they are parallel, it means therefore y plus 35 equals to 180. Means this is 35, this is y. As these lines are parallel, so y and 35, they become what? They become interior angles. Again the same one as earlier. So y plus 35, 180. So y becomes what? 35 on this side, 145. So you got x, you got y. So x plus y equals to 110 plus 145. That is 255 degrees. Got it? This problem was based on interior